Hey, have you ever thought of removing RAM from your computer and replace it with a hard drive? Will your computer still work? Technically yes, but in reality it becomes dead slow. Almost your system is unusable. Let's break it down why this happens if we do so. Here is the core idea. Your computer doesn't just need a memory, rather it needs faster memory. Sadly, not all memories are faster to match the CPU speed. Think of it like this. RAM is your work disk and hard drive is your storage room. If everything you need is on your desk, you work fast by moving things within the fraction of seconds. But if you will have to walk to the storage room for every moment, you feel like a stuck. Now let's zoom into the reality. Your computer has a memory hierarchy with its own strengths measured with the metrics like access speed and storage capacity. Here comes the CPU registers first in the top of the hierarchy, which is insanely fast and almost it matches the speed of CPU clock speed with 0.5 nanoseconds of latency time, and it can able to transfer 1 terabyte of data in 1 second. But it has a storage limitation with maximum of 256 to 512 bits. And next in line comes the cache memories, which is bit slow compared to registers and can able to transfer 900 gigabytes of data in 1 second. Wow. It's interesting. Almost the speed of CPU registers. And now it's the time for RAM, which is 100 times slower than L1 cache memory with 60 to 100 nanoseconds of latency time, and followed by SSD, which is 1000 times slower than RAM. And better we don't talk about hard drives. These are purely out of focus in this context with maximum transfer speed of 250 megabytes per second. Now imagine how lag is your system. Your mouse movement is hard, opening applications is slow, switching tabs is lag, typing code is delay, and please don't think about multitasking. It's a nightmare. Here is one interesting thing that you have to know. Using some mathematical estimations, your system can take around 2 days to just load the login screen. Finally, replacing RAM with hard drive can be possible, but there is no use of putting your CPU in idle state for a lifetime. I hope you learned something interesting today.